If the Android emulator is not working in your Ubuntu, then there can be two reasons for it. The first reason could be that you have installed the wrong driver. Open Software and Updates to see which drivers you have installed. After that, select the option of Additional Driver. Now you will see many drivers. You have to select the same driver that I have done. Then click on Apply Changes. Now, you can check by starting your Android emulator from terminal. Hope you know how to start Android emulator. Now I will start this Android virtual device. You guys can see that my Android emulator has started. But I have made a mistake here. This is not a big problem. Many new developers make this mistake. And this mistake is the second reason due to which our Android emulator does not start. You guys can see that Android emulator is taking more than idle time to start. And now my computer hangs. This is happening because my computer only has 4 GB of RAM. And the API of my Android emulator is version 30. Because of this, my Android emulator takes 1.5 RAM to start. And my hard disk is also green in color. So for this reason the Android emulator automatically shuts down before it starts. Please start System Monitor well in advance so that you can monitor the performance of your Android emulator. You guys can see that about 85% of the RAM is used only to keep the Android emulator running. Now it is getting difficult to run this emulator. The solution is that you have to use a lower version API. I'll turn it off now. I will use Qtcreator to create low version Avd, but you guys can also use Android Studio. You guys can see that I have created a new Avd of API 22 version which is quite light and takes less RAM. But if you have a good computer, then you can create Avd for any number of APIs. Hope you have downloaded all the required tools. And now I will start my Android emulator back, but with this API 22's Avd. I have already started my System Monitor and you guys can see that I have more than 70% RAM free. Now let's start the Android emulator from the terminal. You guys can see that Android emulator has started very fast. And my computer is no longer hanging. And still I have a lot of free RAM. But still 4 GB of RAM is not enough. If you like the video, then like it. And if you want solution related to coding, then subscribe the channel. Thank for watching.